Hi guys, welcome back to Crafty Kids. In this video we'll be seeing how to make a paper phone stand without using any glue or tape. So let's get started. So for this activity we need a rectangular sheet of paper. So the first step is that we should fold the paper in half from top to bottom. So after we're done folding we have to open it. Now we have to fold both the sides of the paper to the middle line. Next step is that we should fold the paper in half again from here to here. So after we are done, we have to unfold it and we have to fold the paper in half to the middle line. So I folded it to the middle line in half, and the next step is that we have to turn the paper to the opposite side and fold 1 centimeter of the paper on this side. So I'm folding it. So now we have to turn the paper to the opposite side again, and we have to fold 1 centimeter of it again on this side as well. So now we have to open this and we have to slide it into this hole here. So I'm sliding it in. So now our paper phone stand is ready. So it's an easy way of making a phone stand, and it can be made in an easy way, and it doesn't also involve the usage of any glue or tape. So it only involves a little bit of paper, and you can make it in an easy way, and you can make it anywhere you want with only one piece of paper. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys next time on Crafty Kids. Bye!